I'm Jonathan from All About Imports. It's Tech Tip Tuesday and we're going to go for a quick drive. Over bumps and ruts, this car sounds like the wheels are falling off. So we're going to our favorite parking lot, which has lots of little bumps and ugliness on the road. Here we're going to check the front end of the vehicle. We're going to make sure that the steering and suspension components are in good shape. We're going to try and isolate that noise that we're hearing on the road. So even though this car sounds like the wheels are about to fall off, there's actually only one thing causing this noise. The sway bar, or anti-roll bar, or stabilizer bar, many different names for the same thing, connects the suspension on the left side to the right side. And what this does is it keeps the vehicle from leaning excessively on high-speed corners, such as a highway on-ramp, off-ramp, an abrupt lane change, things of that nature. So the stabilizer bar is connected to the body of the vehicle. It's also connected to the right front suspension via this stabilizer link. And if we follow it back around here, it's connected to the left front suspension with the left side stabilizer link. So the noise we're hearing from this vehicle is actually, as the suspension is loaded, the energy is attempting to transfer through into the sway bar, but since there's play in this ball and socket joint, all we're hearing is a big clunk before that load transfer. So the repair for this noise is relatively simple. We're going to be replacing these end links on both sides, as the bushings aren't in too bad a shape and there's nothing else that needs to be done on the front end. Another thing we pay attention for on a test drive is, does it drive straight under acceleration and braking? So if I have just a gentle hold of the steering wheel here, as I apply the brakes, it brakes in a straight line. So that sort of rules out a ball joint. I'm Jonathan from All About Imports. This has been your Tech Tip Tuesday. We'll catch you next week.